Hello friend, in this video we are going to see how to calculate the fixed in moment by using general formula. Fixed in moment. First, draw a fixed beam. In this beam we used the point load at middle portion and the assumed length of the beam is L and the middle portion length L by 2 on both sides. First we calculate the fixed in moment. The fixed in moment from A to B. At the end at A the moment is in anti-clockwise, so use negative, and at the B use positive for clockwise. So the fixed in moment from A to B we can write MFAB, fixed in moment from A to B, is equal to, use negative sign because at the fixed end A the moment is in anti-clockwise, so use, and the formula is WL by 8, and the fixed in moment from A to B FBA is equal to, use positive because in clockwise, so we use formula WL by 8. And second number, 2 number, draw a beam, fixed in beam, and the load is used one side W, and suppose the distance is A, and from this B and this B the beam is AB. In this beam the load is not lies in middle portion, the load is lies in towards A from middle portion, so same as above beam, here use negative sign for anti-clockwise and positive sign for clockwise, and write FMAB. In this also use negative because the moment is anti-clockwise, so, and in this beam use formula WAB square by L square, and MFBA B to A use WA square B in this by L square. In this beam use WAB square because A to A distance W towards A and B from this, so use this formula. And 3 numbers, right, draw a beam using WLD, load W and the length is L, and beam is A B, and we can write FAB. Same, right, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and write the formula WL square by 12. In this beam the load is UDL, so use WL square by 12. From A to B use negative sign because A to B anti-clockwise, B to A clockwise, so use positive, and MF B to A is equal to WL square by 12. And 4, and number 4, use a beam, right, draw beam. The UDL is not all over the beam, only at the length of A and L minus A because total length is L. Same A B plus minus and M F A B fixed in moment A to B, and the UDL W only lies at a distance A. So write a formula WA square because UDL is lies at only A distance, WA square by 12 L square 6 L square minus 8 L A plus 3A square and fixing moment in B2 A is equal to plus WA cube by 12 L square 4 L minus 3A. Thank you friend.